Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topic in SQL, that is joins. If you want to master the data analysis and database queries, this video is a must watch. So let's dive right in. Okay. So in SQL, a join used to combine the rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Okay, it helps us fetch meaningful information by linking related data. Okay, join combines data from multiple tables. Okay, let's take two simple tables, that is customers and the orders table. So I took so let's start from customers. We have the customer ID and customer name like this, and from the orders table we have order ID, customer ID, and order amount. Okay, yeah, these are the two tables. So there are mainly five types of joins in SQL. Those are inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. Okay, so what is inner join? Inner join means it returns the only the records that have matching values in both the tables. Okay, let's take customer table. What is there in customer table? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the orders table, we have 1 2 1 2, right? Sorry, 1 2 1 1 3, right? So how can we write the inner join? This is the query. Select customer name, order ID, and department amount. Okay, order amount. So this is coming, we given the aliases for that ones. Okay, this is the fields or columns we want in the table, we want to see in the table. From the customer table, inner join with orders table O. On customer ID is equal to okay, customers table customer ID is equal to O dot customer ID. So here, which are all the common customer name, like which are inner join? Inner join means what? Matching values. In the customer we have how many? 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3 is there, so 3 will match. 1 2 3 will match, right? Let's check. Well, let's run this and check. So so this is the output for the inner join. Got it? So this will only return the customers who have placed at least one order. Okay, this will give the inner, it is the in output of the inner join. And next is the left join. So a left join returns all the records from a left table. Okay, in that case, customers and matching records from the right table. So if there is no match, you will see null values. Okay, so the queries I have written for the left join. Okay, got it. So this is the result we got. Here you will still see what a Sophia. Okay, even though she hasn't placed any order because it is a left join. Left join contains Sophia as well, right? So, okay, then is right join. Right join is just the opposite. It returns all the rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. Okay, similar to left. Okay, this is a right, like all the record from the right table it will take, and matching records from the left table. Okay. And next is full join. Full join returns all the records from both the tables, okay, whether it is a matching or not. If there is no match, then nulls are filled in. Okay, this is the full join. So this way we don't miss any data from either table. Okay. Next is the cross join. What is cross join? Cross join returns the Cartesian product. So every possible combination of rows between both the tables. Okay. So yeah, this is the cross join. So this can create a huge result set. So use it carefully. Got it? And yeah, yeah, that's everything you need to know about the SQL joins. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and turn on the bell icon so you will never miss the update.